clean, old school bass is low and mean. We've shed the blood, we got the scars. Everyone knows who we are. Neighbors know when the sun goes down. Windows shake for a mile around. Ain't doing drugs, ain't drinking beer. Just stomp that bass, yeah, loud and clear. Kick drum stomping like a back row run. Heartbeat matching every hit of the drum. Just old man in camouflage, working all night, bass, beer, garage. Power wires running from the front to the back, all lined up, gotta keep them on track. Amps lined up, sitting all in a row. Gotta have the power, gonna make the wind blow. From big wall bills to the street machines, we do it all and in between. When you need a good subwoofer massage, head on down to Bass Beer Garage. We use old tools, old bodies too. You'd be surprised what old guys can do. We smoke our smokes and sip iced tea. Might have some grandkids on our knee. You never guess we drop that bass. Never see that in our face. But a look inside and your face turn red. A wall of subs to wake the dead. Kick drum heavy like a hammer fall. 1 foot down, let the whole place crawl. If it don't shake, we turn it more. This ain't a hobby, it's a backwoods war. Power wires running from the front to the back, all lined up, gotta keep them on track. Amps lined up, sitting all in a row. Gotta have the power, gonna make the wind blow. From big wall bills to the street machines, we do it all and in between. When you need a good subwoofer massage, head on down to Bass Beer Garage. No suits inside, just blood and sweat, sound and pride. If you hear it thumping through the trees, that's home calling back to me. Power wires running from the front to the back, all lined up, gotta keep them on track. Amps lined up, sitting all in a row. Gotta have the power, gonna make the wind blow. From big wall bills to the street machines, we do it all and in between. When you need a